It has been a roller coaster ride for the market to date. As the stock markets fluctuate daily, investing decisions can become conundrums. However, market analyst Jim Letourneau says having gold in your portfolio is a valued asset, as in recent weeks it has soared above $910 an ounce, a historic high.
A lot of the concerns in the U.S. market have been the currency. The value of the U.S. dollar keeps dropping and dropping. And as that happens, the value of real precious metals actually increases in terms of the paper currency. But they could just keep printing and printing more paper money, and at the end of the day, the price of gold could be $3,000 an ounce, but it could be, a big chunk of that could be currency devaluation.
When investors get nervous, they tend to look for a safe haven. Letourneau says precious metals, in particularly gold, can become a tangible investment.
Most of us are probably optimists at heart, and we're not looking for global calamity and economic disaster. But if there was one, it'd be nice to have something tangible and solid, and precious metals can provide that.
Letourneau says owning gold can deliver some peace of mind. However, he stresses the difference between owning the physical metal as opposed to investing in a gold producer.
There's a difference between real precious metals like a gold coin versus buying money in a major gold producer versus buying money in a 50-cent or 10-cent junior producer. And there's a whole spectrum, and sometimes the junior little companies, you'll hear about your neighbor making 10 or 20 times gains because they bought this stock at 10 cents, but they're not going to tell you about 4 or 5 other ones that maybe didn't do that.
While it may be gold's day today, how will it possibly fare in the future market climate?
In a bull market, nobody thinks about the bear market that will follow, and in any market, we have ups and downs, and the cycle for gold is probably, it's a 20-year plus kind of cycle. So we're going into more and more enthusiasm, more and more people are getting interested in gold, but at some point the price will peak and will probably pull back fairly quickly.
So when is the right time to sell gold and make a profit? Letourneau says that depends on the specific investor's time frame and psychology. Short-term minded investors may sell now when it's high in case of correction or pushback, and long-term investors may choose to buy in.
Sometimes we find about an investment and a good theme right near the top of the market, and then all the people that knew about it before us sell their shares and their gold and their silver, whatever they have, they sell it to the latecomers. So it's hard to be early.
Chad Carrier, Energy TV.